Something doesn't add up in this courtroom. Brigadier Bongani Janinda says officers called him during COVID restrictions to approve a lawyer's visit to Bongani and Ntanzi, but Ntanzi says that consultation never happened. No signature, no record, no memory of it. So now the question becomes very uncomfortable. If that lawyer really visited Ntanzi, where is the record? And even more importantly, who called Janinda? Since when do officers of a certain police station where a suspect is held need permission from the lead investigator for a suspect to see a lawyer? Watch this moment very carefully.
Right. Do you remember at which police station this visitation occurred?
Is it the one Gininda Mukhola?
Yes, when Brigadier Gininda came to see you with Sergeant Mukhola and Sergeant Mabena.
Ingabe uyakhumbula ukuthi bakuyiphi police station uma beza ke ubrigadier Gininda uMukhola noMabena bezokubona?
Ngithemena ama-police station la ngiwahlala kamanengi angisayikhumbula i-police station kuyona ngqongqo ukuthi iyona yiphi phakathi kwawo.
I did say before the court that I was at different police stations here, so I can't remember exactly as to which one amongst them.
Kodwa akusiyi Vereri.
But it was not Valeria.
Phakathi ama-police station ethu Pretoria North nePretoria North lapho engangihlala khona ama-police station ethu la.
It's between the two police stations where I was kept, Pretoria North and Pretoria Moot, between those two.
We have Proverse Exhibit YY with you. This is the letter that Brigadier Gininda testified about that he received from Mr. Mjiako.
Bese sikhombisile ke sifundele ke incwadi lena ke ekuyizibiti uYY ekuyincwadi ke uBrigadier Gininda atshela inkantolo ukuthi iyona ayithola kumjiyako.
Ayithola nami ngekhona.
In my presence.
Yes, there is his evidence.
Yes, yebo kufakazi bakhe.
Akulona iqiniso la.
That's not true.
Azange ngivakashele lo police station.
I was never visited by a lawyer at the police station.
Brigadier Gininda further testified that since it was COVID times, that is the reason why he was contacted.
uBrigadier Gininda okunye akutshela inkantolo ukuthi isizathu sokuthi baxhumane naye ingoba kwakuyisikhathi secorona.
Angithi akulona iqiniso lela ngazange ngivakashele lo police station.
I'm saying that's not true. I was never visited by a lawyer at the police station.
And we just want to make the correction there. According to Exhibit SS, you were detained at Pretoria Moot Police Station on the 23rd of June 2020.
Okay, 23 June 2020. Ngokwalo zibithi ke umshushisi athi uyalifunda uSS police station okuyona kwakuyi Pretoria Moot.
Ngikhisho ba ngikhiphela ongisako.
Who booked me out to take me where?
Yes. No. You were not booked when Brigadier Gininda visited you on the 23rd of June 2020. You were detained at Pretoria Moot Police Station.
Hayi ukuthi wakhishwa uma uBrigadier Gininda wayeya kuwena kwakunge-23 June 2020 ipolice station okuyona kwakuyi Pretoria Moot. Hayi ukuthi wakhishwa.
Yes.
Okay.
And this we see in his evidence on the 28th of November 2023, page 60.
Fakazi bakhe bange-28 November 2023.
Line 15 says, "My Lord, I arrived there. I think it would have been after an hour or 1.5 hours because it was a bit far from Pretoria Moot. And I found accused two with a gentleman who identified himself as Mr. Mjiako. As his attorney, accused two confirmed that this was his attorney.
Lapha na kuloko kufunda yeke la uGininda uMbrigadier Gininda atshela inkantolo khona ukuthi kwamthatha ihora noma ke ihora elinesigaba ukuthi ayofika khona ke lapho ngoba kwakukude Pretoria Moot. Uma efika lapho ke uthola umsola wesibili enomlisa thizeni umlisa loyo ke owasho ke wena kuyena uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi ummeli wakho naye umlisa loyo wayichaza ke ukuthi uMjiyako.
Kusenkantolo lona iqiniso.
My Lord, that's not true.
nanka amaloya ahleli la mayeza ema-police station ezemajele khona pha ibhala khona phantsi incwadi ayibhalayo iphi eyakhe angena ngayo kimi.
Here are the lawyers seated here. When they visit police stations as well as prisons, they document somewhere, or there are books where they would document or sign, my lord. Where is his?
Mina lapha ngize ngatshena ikhodi isibone ngathi ngihlala eHosi Mabhulu ubaba uRamsipile emeze ejele khona lapha bangisayinisa khona bethi ile ufunwa yiloya kuthiwa sayina la ubhalwe igama lami ngibhala mangifika kubaba uRamsipile uphethe islip abanika sona egate lesi slip ngifike ngasayina nyana sectionini baphinde nabayasayina ukuthi ade ngineloya siphe sakhe.
I made an example that I'm kept at Hoshi Mampuru. When the Mr. Ramusipile comes to see me at Hoshi Mampuru, I would be asked to sign and told that the lawyer has come to visit you. Mr. Ramusipile would come with a receipt that I would take to the section. So where is his?
And as we put it to you yesterday, Brigadier Gininda further testified on the 28th of November 2023, page 59, as to your inquiry now as to why did they seek his permission. He testified that on the 23rd of June 2020, he received a call from Pretoria Moorch police station where you were detained, where he was informed that there's an attorney who wants to consult with you, and they wanted to check if they should allow such a person.
Kubufakazi bakhe abethula-ke lana enkantolo-ke ukuthi babemfunelani-ke noma kwakungani bemfuna-ke lapha e-police station, watshela inkantolo-ke ukuthi wathola ucingo babe sebemtshela ukuthi-ke kunommeli ofisa-ke ukuthi ahlale phansi akhulumisane nomsolwa ukuthi akhulumisane naye-ke umsolwa nokuthi-ke babefisa nje ukuthi baqinisekise-ke kuyena ukuthi babengamvumela yini.
He then said,
Osenkantolo ayilona iqiniso lokhuluma.
My lord, what is being said here is not true.
Okokuqala kasho uGinindla ukuthi ufonele ubani ufonele ngumnisa ufonele uNqumalo or ufonele uJonas akasho lapha ko uthi ngifonele ePolice station kusho ukuthi phela into engekho le ngizwabethi ngesizulu.
Firstly, Gininda does not indicate as to who specifically phoned him, whether it was Mnisi, Umalo, Jonase. He just says he received a call from the police station. So that is just hearsay.
Ubragadilo esikhuluma ngayo lapha ekhona.
And that's the brigadier that we are referring to here in this court.
he further testified that he advised them to allow this person to consult with you and that he will be making his way just to confirm the status of this individual.
Ubufakazi bakhe mayiqhubeka-ke nabo uthi-ke esebatshela-ke ukuthi bangamvumela-ke ukuthi-ke angakhuluma nawe ngaleso sikhathi-ke yena uzobe-ke esendleleni-ke eya khona lapho.
Kusenkantolo ayilona iqiniso le.
My lord, that's not true.
Uze noma umshushisa ibeka phambi ko uthi bengamvumela ubizo ubani lapha engikhona utshena ubani ukuthi ngila ePolice station.
Even as the state is putting it that he said they can allow or they may allow the person, who told him that I was there at the police station?
That exchange raises a serious question. If the lawyer really consulted Bongani and Tanzi, then there should be a record somewhere. Police stations keep registers. Visitors sign in. Officers record consultations. So Ntanzi's question becomes very simple but very powerful. Where did he sign? And who exactly contacted Brigadier Gininda to approve this visit during COVID? Because if this consultation happened, proving it should be easy. Moments like this are why the Senzo Mayiwa trial continues to raise serious questions about procedure and credibility. If you are following the Senzo Mayiwa murder trial, make sure you subscribe and support the channel so we can keep bringing you these courtroom moments. Like the video, share it, and drop your opinion in the comments. Do you think Bongani and Tanzi just exposed a serious contradiction? Or is there a simple explanation? Thank you so much for watching. I'm Skybridge, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye.